Hey, how's it going? This is the SketchUp Beginner Course, Learn 3D Modeling from Scratch. In Chapter 3, Episode 2, we will expand the Mario model by also adding the tunnel we all know from the video games. And this will be the base of our game piece. So, let's get into the video. In this episode, we're going to expand our Mario model and make a board game piece out of it. So, we will model the typical Mario tunnel that will be the base of our game piece. In order to do that, we have to open the project from the last episode and then save a new version of it. Name the file Mario Game Piece and click on Save Here. And before we start modeling the tunnel, let's select 3 of the 4 models and delete them. We then continue with the remaining figure. The basic shape of the tunnel will be the circle. So press the C key to select the circle tool and set it to 100 sides. Then left click to place the basic shape and enter the radius 70. To extrude the tunnel, we will use the push-pull tool with the P key. And to create the tunnel gradation, we need the offset tool with the F key. This time, we create the offset outwards. And with the push-pull tool, P key, we extrude the offset upwards. And this will be the shape of our tunnel. The next step is to put the Mario model on top of the tunnel. And because we don't want to select all pieces of the model one by one, we will group all individual parts to make a combined object. Therefore, we will pick the select tool with the spacebar and select the whole model. Then just right-click and create a group. Now we can use the move tool with the M key to move the whole model. Grab a lower corner point first and then press the up arrow key. Move the mouse to an inner point of the tunnel to make the alignment along the blue axis. Afterwards, we can place the model in the center by freehand. By the way, you can still select the individual objects within the group. To do this, press the spacebar for the select tool and apply a double click on the group. Now we can make any selection within the group and perform an edit. And to dissolve a group, we right-click again and select Explode. And because we want to make one single piece out of the base and the Mario model, we will select both objects, then right-click and create a new group. In the following chapter, we will also model a game board to our game pieces. But we need more figures, of course. We already duplicated the feet in the last episode, and we use the same technique for the group Mario model. First, select the group, then press the M key for the move tool. Now press the Control key once so that the little plus symbol appears next to the mouse cursor. We duplicate and move along the green axis. After confirming the placement, we enter ×3 and confirm with Enter. This will duplicate the model 3 times. Since we need more figures, we use the Select tool to make a new selection around the 4 models, then switch to the Move tool with the M key and press the Control key once. We will now place the duplicates along the red axis and type in ×3, just like before. And now we have 4 teams with 4 figures each. Finally, we will fill the tunnels in the team colors. Since we have grouped the models, we can apply the fill with a single click. So we press the B key for the fill tool. So the B stands for bucket. And then go to the tab with the textures and have a look under colors. So because the texture of the game board is already pre-made, we will select this green color for the first team. And then click on all tunnels of the first row. Then we choose the turquoise color and fill in the second row. The third row will be filled dark blue. And the last row will be filled purple. So we finish the game pieces and continue with the game board in the next episode. Just make sure to update the project in the cloud. So the game pieces are ready, but we also need the dice and the game board. We will model both in the upcoming chapter, and we will also learn how to import own textures to add them to the dice and to the game board. So stay tuned. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel to never miss any new upload. And I will see you in the next chapter.